इस तरीके से भी आ सकते हैं, जो कि पहले आते थे, बीच बीच में ये आ जाते हैं हमारे। यानी कि आपको सिर्फ एक इडियम्स और फ्रेजेस दे दिया जाएगा और आपको उसकी मीनिंग देखनी पड़ेगी। नॉर्मली इडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस की मीनिंग गॉज आउट करना बहुत आसान होता है, अगर आप एक फ्रीक्वेंट और एविड रीडर हैं, आप आराम से पता लगा लेते हैं। लेकिन कई बार हम नहीं पता लगा पाते, यानी कि जो लिटरल लिखा हुआ है वो उसका मतलब नहीं होता। जैसे पहला हम सेंटेंस देखते हैं, पहला इडियम्स और फ्रेज देखते हैं, टू स्ट्रेन एवरी नर्व, यानी कि अपनी हर नस पर दबाव डालना। यानी कि ये मतलब तो नहीं होगा ना इसका, ये एटमोस्ट हेड है, ये नहीं होगा। डिलिजेंट वर्कर, मेथोडिकल वर्कर नहीं होगा। इसका मतलब होता है कि टू मेक एटमोस्ट एफर्ट्स, है ना, सारे एफर्ट्स लगा देना। तो ये चीज हो जाती है। दूसरा क्या होता है इसमें, कि इसमें सेंटेंस फॉर्म में भी पूछा जाता है। सेंटेंस फॉर्म में हमें कंट्रेक्चुअल मीनिंग मिल जाती है। जैसे एंटोनिम्स और सिनोनिम्स में हमें मीनिंग मिल जाती है ना, वैसे ही जब सेंटेंस में इसको यूज किया जाता है, अंडरलाइन कर दिया जाता है, तो सेंटेंस को पढ़ के हमें समझ में आ जाता है कि भाई इसका मतलब क्या है ना। चलो, टू फ्लॉग अ डेड हॉर्स, मरे हुए घोड़े में चाबुक मारना।
Please let one effort.
Road is the impossible.
क्या?
Option B.
अटेम्प्ट टू डू द इम्पॉसिबल नहीं होगा भाई, इम्पॉसिबल पर अटेम्प्ट नहीं कर रहे हो आप अपने एफर्ट्स को वेस्ट कर रहे हो। मरे हुए घोड़े पे चाबुक मार रहे हो, मतलब वो मूव थोड़ी करेगा, तो एफर्ट्स वेस्ट हो रहे हैं, वेस्ट वंस एफर्ट्स। टू शो अ क्लीन पेयर ऑफ हील्स, आप भाग,
To escape.
आपकी हील्स दिख रही है सामने वाले बंदे को, मतलब आप भाग रहे हो। इसकी
To follow.
टू एस्केप,
अच्छा.
टू फॉलो नहीं भी, टू एस्केप। टू डाई इन हार्नेस,
To die while in service.
टू डाई वाइल इन सर्विस, है ना, लगे हुए हो काम। टू फेदर वंस नेस्ट,
To profit in a dishonest way.
हाँ, ये ऐसे क्यों होगा, क्योंकि नेस्ट आपको ऑलरेडी बन चुका है ना, नेस्ट आपको ऑलरेडी बन चुका है, आप उसमें ऑफ फेदर एंड कर रहे हो, तो टू प्रॉफिट इन अ डिसऑनेस्ट वे। टू डॉक्टर द अकाउंट्स,
Manipulate.
To manipulate the account.
हाँ, टू मैनिपुलेट द अकाउंट। शी कुड नेवर मेजर अप टू हर पेरेंट्स एक्सपेक्टेशन,
Reach the level.
Reach your level.
द लिटिल गर्ल विद हर फ्लॉलेस परफॉर्मेंस स्टोल द शो,
Won everybody's praise.
Everybody praise.
on everybody's praise. The thief was on good terms with the police, good terms,
Was friendly.
was friendly.
Fan.
John's offer of help was turned down by the
Refused.
Confused.
to be all at sea,
Lost and confused.
lost and confused, है ना, समुद्र में अकेले हैं। To take to one's heels, सेम चीज।
To run away.
To run away.
To run away, भागना। To bite the dust, धूल चाटना।
To fail.
Abort from the blue,
Unexpected.
Unexpected event.
an unexpected event। Cold concern,
Foolish proposal.
नहीं भाई, जैसे क्या हुआ ना कि 4 तारीख को चुनावों के रिजल्ट आएंगे और बीजेपी
अच्छा सर, स्लाइड सेटिस्फैक्शन आ जाए.
Slight satisfaction.
बात तो सब लोग, बीजेपी ने नारा दिया कि भाई अब की बार 400 पार, लेकिन मान लीजिए बीजेपी की आ गई 350 सीट्स, तो सामने वो अनाउंस बोलेगा कि भाई हमने तो इनको रोक दिया, 400 पार नहीं होने दिया, लेकिन 273 का जो आंकड़ा है वो तो पूरा हो गया ना, सरकार तो उन्हीं की बनेगी। तो वो बोलेंगे कि भाई ये लोग जो है ना, ये मतलब हार तो इन्हीं की हुई है, मतलब
झूठी तसल्ली, वही चीज हो गई ना, झूठी तसल्ली देना खुद को, झूठा।
हाँ वही, स्लाइट सेटिस्फेक्शन, थोड़ा सेटिस्फेक्शन मिल गया है कि भाई 400 पार नहीं हुआ है, ये वाला, तो ये कोल्ड कंफर्ट हो गया। द रेप्यूटेड कंपनी इज इन द
In danger.
due to the recession.
In danger.
In danger. When the principal was entering the class, all my friends quietly disappeared, leaving me alone to face the music.
To bear
the criticism.
Criticism. The Canadian team proved to be the dark horse in the ICC world.
unexpected winner.
Unexpected winner.
Unexpected winner.
Having no arguments to defend his point, the speaker began to beat about the bush.
Wander across the world.
Speak in a roundabout manner.
हाँ, इधर उधर की बातें कर रहा, speak in a roundabout manner. They were offered 6 months rent in lieu of notice to vacate the building.
In place.
In place.
इसकी जगह। We know that he is the one responsible for the discord, but as he is well connected, all we can do is send him to Coventry.
Transfer.
Transparent.
Transfer.
Dismiss him.
Point. कॉवेंट्री आप समझते हैं ना, पहले के टाइम में क्या होता था कि एक कॉवेंट्री टाइप की होती थी यूरोप में,
बॉयकॉट
यानी कि कुछ आपके जो क्या बोलते थे उनको यार, जो उनके क्रिश्चियन धर्म के फॉलोअर हुआ करते थे ना, जो
बॉयकॉट
हाँ बॉयकट आएगा, लेकिन मैं आपको कंटेक्स्ट समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि मतलब कि वो कॉवेनेंट में भेजे जाते थे। कॉवेनेंट मतलब एक कॉवेंट, सॉरी कॉवेंट, कॉवेंट आपकी ऐसी जगह होती थी जहाँ पर एक अलग तरीके से रहा जाता था, है ना, सबसे अलग रहा जाता था।
हाँ सर, वो मैं समझ गया आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो। मतलब जो प्रीचर्स हुआ करते थे जो कि
हाँ
बिल्कुल ही
church में करा है।
डिवोट होना चाहते हैं ना, जैसे कि जो गॉड के जो वॉरियर्स होते हैं ना, उन्हें बिल्कुल ही सन्यासी टाइप का जीवन, जो बस या तो मतलब
वो
वेपन
तो वो तो आपके टेम्पलर्स हुआ करते थे। एक सेकंड रुक जाना, अरे अच्छा भाई, नहीं एक मिनट रुकना guys। अरे मैं क्लास ले रहा हूँ यार, एक सेकंड जब के मैं हाँ, तो आप जिनकी बात कर रहे हैं ना, वो नाइट टेम्पलर्स हुआ करते थे।
हाँ मतलब
वो
वो
बेसिकली
इसी टाइप में हो गया
वो
मतलब।
बेसिकली आपके बनाए गए थे। ये जो पूरा जेरूसलम वाला रूट था ना, इसलिए और बाकी जगहों से जो भी क्रिश्चियंस आते थे जेरूसलम तक, तो उनको और उनकी और उस टाइम पे आपके वो चल रहे थे,
हाँ वो क्रूसेड जो होते हैं ना वो।
क्रूसेड्स चल रहे थे, है ना। तो उस टाइम पे ईसाइयों में और मुस्लिमों में लड़ाई होती रहती थी। तो वो जितने भी पिलग्रिम्स आते थे, उनकी सुरक्षा के लिए नाइट टेम्पलर्स नाम की एक संस्था का गठन किया गया था। ठीक है, उनकी भी एक तगड़ी हिस्ट्री है, लेकिन ये मॉन्क्स की बात कर रहे हैं। ये मॉन्क्स
हाँ मतलब वही सन्यासी लोग हो गए ना, मतलब सन्यासी टाइप के हो गए, वही मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ।
वो लोग कॉवेंट्स बनाते थे, और ऐसे कॉवेंट्स में वो एक्सक्लूसिव तरीके से रहा करते थे। ठीक है, द नोबल मैन गिव अप द गोस्ट, died. Prime Minister cannot ride roughshod over his ministerial colleagues with law.
Take for granted.
Need for granted. Be high-handed with. अपनी चलाना. He was down in the mouth as he was defeated in the elections.
वेरी डिप्रेस्ड वेरी डिप्रेस्ड
Down in the mouth. आपका
Unable to
very depressed
speak.
जाएगा. They say join the army to drink life to the least.
To have line
Life full of adventures.
To have a life full of adventures. The car in the backyard is proving to be a white elephant.
costly and useless possession.
Was in useless position.
Useless possession. It takes leave once in a blue.
Rarely.
पहले बता चुका हूँ मैं ज्योग्राफी में। The meeting has been put off indefinite.
Postponed.
And so on.
नहीं, indefinitely बोला गया है ना इसमें, तो indefinitely में आपका आएगा postpone, आगे के लिए बढ़ा दी गई है, लेकिन अनिश्चित काल के लिए। कैंसिल तो मतलब पूरी तरह हटाई गई। The rules of the deal are set forth in the brochure.
Excited.
Accepted लिखने गए हैं, accepted नहीं। She bought her new house for a song.
Very easily.
Very cheaply.
Cheap.
Raju had given up doing exercise after surgery. Stopped. The chairman tried to get his point across, but
Make them understand.
मेरी नारे बात दूसरी हो जाती थी। But the members just wouldn't listen.
Make them understand.
Understand. Ashok had all fair weather friends. अच्छे मौसम के साथी.
Who doesn't give difficulties?
Friends who are giving difficulties. Since the company has lost a good deal of time and money, you will have to make good the loss.
To minimize the loss.
नहीं भाई, लॉस ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, वो
Compen-
मिनिमाइज नहीं करेंगे आप इसको।
Compensate.
Compensate for the loss.
सर 33
क्या
33 में डेजर्ट मतलब वही ना कि मतलब मुश्किल टाइम में
छोड़ देना
एयर वेदर।
A damn script.
A disappointing result.
हाँ, स्क्रिप्ट वर्ड याद है ना, हैरी पॉटर में कैरेक्टर था आर्गस फिल्च, हॉगवर्ट्स का केयरटेकर नहीं मतलब काम करने वाला, तो वो उनकी लैंग्वेज में स्क्रिप्ट था, यानी कि एक ऐसा इंसान जो जादूगरों के घर में पैदा हुआ है लेकिन उसको जादू नहीं आता, है ना? तो यानी कि इन कोल्ड ब्लड,
Naturally.
डेलिबरेटली, यानी कि जानबूझ कर, he takes someone for a ride, झांसा लेना,
Deceive someone.
Deceive someone.
to move heaven and earth,
To try possible.
Impossible.
to try
Everything possible.
to smell a rat,
To be
To be suspicious.
to be suspicious. The possession of Jerusalem is a bone of contention between Israel and
Subject of dispute.
Dispute.
a subject of dispute. My friend turned a deaf ear to my tale of loss and
Listen carefully.
Paid no heed.
I turned a deaf ear, paid no heed. So writing. Helena was overhead and ears in love with Demetrius.
Completely.
Completely, Circe लेकिन पैर तक. Obi walks by fits and starts.
In high spread.
I consistently.
फिट्स क्या होता है? दौरा होता है ना? दौरे कब आते हैं?
Irre-
कभी भी आते हैं ना?
irregularly.
हाँ, दौरे कभी भी आते हैं ना, तो आपका क्या होगा? बाय फिट्स एंड स्टार्ट्स मतलब इररेगुलरली. Naresh Goyal had to stand on his feet very early in his life
To be independent.
to be independent. It is high time he came out of his shell,
Became more sociable. Sociable.
sociable. Every political party is at present playing to the gallery,
Adapting the cheap tactics.
appeasing the masses, playing to the gallery, यानी कि लोगों को वही दिखाना जो उनको पसंद हो. His blood ran cold when he heard his uncle was murdered.
He was horrified.
He was depressed.
Horrified.
This is so simple that even a man in the street can understand it.
Ordinary person.
An ordinary person. When he went to claim insurance for his car, the agent said he hadn't a leg to stand on.
Much hope of getting it.
Did not have much hope of getting it. ज़्यादा support नहीं. To cast aspersions,
To make unpleasant remarks.
to make unpleasant remarks on the cards,
Evident होगा sir.
anticipated, abandoned नहीं. On the cards मतलब आप उसकी इच्छा कर रहे हैं. To turn over a new leaf.
To start.
To change नहीं. To turn over a new leaf होगा ना. To turn over a new leaf. नए चैप्टर की स्टार्टिंग करना. हाँ. To change
Start
होता
fresh.
है. To keep up one's appearances.
To maintain one's
It is one looks and appearance.
To keep up one's appearances. To keep an outward show of prosperity भाई. बाहरी दिखावा. Off and on.
Okay. Repeatedly.
Repeatedly होगा. Occasionally भाई. To take with a grain of salt.
To accept with misgiving.
To accept with misgiving. To talk through one's head.
To talk secretively.
Talk nonsense. उसके ऊपर हेड लगी होती है, बंदा हेड से बात कर रहा है, मतलब कि केयरफुली.
सर थ्रू है तो
टॉक थ्रू हेड, दिमाग से बात नहीं कर रहा है, हेड से बात कर रहा है, हेड के थ्रू बात कर रहा है, यानी कि उसके हेड में जुड़ा हुआ है, वो अपना प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा है. तो क्या होगा? टू टॉक नॉनसेंस. Ins and outs,
Details and
details and complexities. The thief passed himself off as a ticket examiner.
deceived everyone. Disguised होगा disguised. Sorry.
A brave soldier will never show the white feather in the face of his enemy.
Signs of cowardice.
two signs बढ़ाएं.
Show signs of cowardice. इसका हिस्ट्री पता है? व्हाइट फेदर वाला
No sir.
वर्ल्ड वॉर 1 से रिलेटेड है. वर्ल्ड वॉर 1 के दौरान जब आपके एबल बॉडीड मैन जो भी हुआ करते थे, सब युद्ध लड़ने जाते थे, तो कुछ क्या बोलते हैं, वुमेन वॉलंटियर्स हुआ करती थी, ग्रुप्स हुआ करते थे. वो आपकी गांव से गांव घूमती थी और गांव में पब्स में या फिर वैसी जगह जहाँ भी उनको जवान आदमी दिख जाते थे जो कि किसी भी तरीके से इनको इशू नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, और वो युद्ध लड़ने के लिए नहीं गए हैं, उस केस में वो उनकी कोट की पॉकेट पे एक ऐसा वाइट फेदर जो है वो लगा दी थी. यानी कि ये वाइट फेदर साइन ऑफ कवर्डिस होता था कि भाई तुम जो हो वो क्या बोलते हैं, कवर्ड, है ना. ये मैंने बेसिकली देखा था एक वेब सीरीज में, दैट इज डाउनटाउन हैवी. देखिए किसी ने?
No sir.
काफी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है भाई हिस्ट्री से. The poor man moved from pillar to post to get money.
Tried his best.
Right is best. You have to be tactful in handling the sensitive matters rather than putting the cart before the horse. भाई घोड़े के आगे आप वो गाड़ी नहीं रखोगे ना, गाड़ी तो घोड़े के पीछे होती है ना.
Sir, tackling things the wrong way.
Actually,
Wrong way.
wrong way. The boys cried with one voice that the examination should be postponed
Unanimously.
unanimously. The scheme appears worthless at the first blush.
First sight.
First sight.
First sight. First sight. His pronunciation was so bad and his voice so low that the speech he made was
Incomprehensible.
Incomprehensible.
incomprehensible. समझ से बाहर. He looked blank when he was informed about his dismissal.
Puzzled and surprised.
And surprised.
भाई blank was without any emotion. Puzzled और surprised तो भाई एक emotion होता है ना. Blank मतलब कुछ भी नहीं, poker face. That fellow trumped up the story.
सही.
Banana. Though he is not a scholar, he wins argument because he has the gift of the gap.
Talent for the speech.
Talent for speaking.
Talent for speaking. The ATS said the plate to arrest the terrorists.
Laid the trap.
Later trap.
जाल बिछाना. I have decided to give it a shot.
Try something.
Try
Something. He turned a blind eye to his son's pranks.
Pretend to not notice.
Pretended not to notice. All his schemes to murder the king ended in smoke.
Came to nothing.
Came to nothing.
This fashion of long flowing skirts will run its course.
Continue for a long time.
Run its course यानी कि अपना कोर्स पूरा कर रहा है, मतलब develop and then come to its usual end. The police caught the thief red-handed.
At the time of committing the
Committing the crime.
I was so disappointed when my close friend left me in the lurch.
abandoned me and I needed help.
When I needed help.
When I needed help, his position in the company was on the brink of disaster.
At the point of.
At the point of disaster.
At the point of, the car broke down just as it reached the edge of a cliff. It was indeed a close shave.
Narrow escape from
Then
danger.
escape from danger.
His parents are in high spirits as their son has got a decent job.
Cheerful.
Fearful.
When she realized that she had bought a fake product, she knew that her money had gone down the drain.
Got washed away.
Was
Was lost for him. Was.
Even though the new clerk was given a difficult task, he remained cool as a cucumber.
Not nervous or emotional.
Nervous or emotional.
Some people do not grease anybody's palm on any account.
Bribe.
Granny.
I had to pull strings to put up a good show.
Use personal
Use
influence.
personal influence.
You can easily overcome this situation if you keep your head.
Remain calm.
Remain calm.
It is clear that the ideas of both reformers reign in the same grove.
Moved in harmony.
With harmony.
Moved in harmony, एक साथ चलना. This place affords a bird's eye view of the green valley below.
So beautiful view.
Overview.
A beautiful view.
Bird's eye view. Overview.
Overview.
To foam at one's mouth.
To salivate on seeing.
Elevate down seeing.
भाई मुंह से पानी आना नहीं, मुंह से झाग निकलना. मुंह से झाग कब निकलता है?
None of that was voice.
नहीं. तू वो बात नहीं, ठीक है. ये वही होगा. मुंह से पानी ना आना. So salivate on seeing food. To feel like a fish out of water.
Uncomfortable.
At the 11th hour.
At the last moment.
At the last
At the last moment. To burn one's fingers.
To suffer financial
To suffer financial losses. To add fuel to fire. आग में घी डालना.
To incite.
To inside.
To bring to light.
To reveal.
उजागर करना. To hit the jackpot.
To get an expected victory.
भाई किसी का स्पीकर होना यार.
Unexpected.
आवाज ही को हो रही है. To hit the jackpot.
To get an unexpected victory.
To make money quickly, भाई. To make money quickly. To burn the candle at both ends.
To be extravagant.
To be extravagant. दोनों तरफ से कैंडल जलती. Status quo.
Unchanged position.
And change position. by fair means or foul,
In any way, honest or dishonest.
at one's beck and call,
To be useful to someone.
to be dominated by someone, भाई, at one's beck and call,
अच्छा हाँ, वो dominated हो जाएगा.
to explore every avenue,
To try every opportunity.
try every opportunity, a red letter day
Important joyful occasion.
in one's life, to have something up one's sleeve,
To have a secret plan.
to have a secret plan, on the spur of the moment,
To act
To act deliberately.
to act at once. When my friend was in Kolkata, he ran into an old friend at the theatre.
met accidentally.
Met accidentally.
Met accidentally. The news of the president's death spread like wildfire.
Spread rapidly.
Rapidly.
Spread rapidly. Going abroad for a holiday was out of the question.
Impossible.
Impossible.
Impossible. As a businessman, my father always maintained that his transaction constituted an open book.
Straightforward and honest.
Straightforward, honestly.
Straightforward and honest dealings. The project advanced by leaps and bounds.
Rapidly.
Rapidly.
काफी तेजी से. She is too fond of her own voice.
Very talkative. Definitely. And does not listen properly to anyone else.
Very talkative. अपनी ही आवाज की बहुत ज्यादा फॉन्ड है, यानी कि अपनी ही आवाज बोलती रहती है. इसका मतलब है कि बहुत ज्यादा बात करती है. Indian police is on the whole high-handed in dealing with citizens.
Overbearing.
Overbearing. I take exception to your statement, but that I am bad-tempered.
Feel angry. Feel angry.
Take exceptions, भाई.
Do not agree.
आपत्ति उठाना. His speech fell short on the audience.
Had no effect.
Had no effect.
Had no effect.
The officer called for an explanation from the cashier for the shortage of cash.
Demanded.
Demanded.
Demanded. यहाँ पूछा नहीं है क्योंकि ऑफिसर है ना, तो उसने पूछा नहीं है, उसने डिमांड किया है. We wanted.
फिर ऑफिसर
हाँ बोलिए.
फिर ऑफिसर नोटिस भी तो दे सकता है, सर्व नोटिस.
दे सकता है लेकिन अथॉरिटी हायर है भाई, तो वो डिमांड ही करेगा. We wanted the gift और नोटिस भी दे रहा है तो उसमें भी सामने वाले को उसका आंसर देना जरूरी हो जाता है. We wanted the gift to be a surprise for my mother, but my sister gave the game up.
Gave out the secret.
The actress took cue from her brother and became successful.
A hint.
A hint.
Some help.
A hint. इसका मतलब होता है hint लेना. ठीक है? Let us have a heart-to-heart talk to solve this problem.
Emotional.
Frank talk.
Good
Emotional talk, friend.
Frank talk, candid. To miss the bus.
Miss an opportunity.
मिशन
Opportunity. Birds of the same feather.
Persons of the same character.
Persons of same character. To fight tooth and nail.
To fight heroic.
To make every possible effort.
To make every possible effort. To call a spade a spade.
To be diplomatic. Diplomatic.
एक भाई जैसे तैसा है उसको वैसा बोलना है ना, यानी कि फ्रैंक. By putting two and two together.
A mix of several things.
Mix several.
To reduce from given facts. तो by putting two and two together, चीजों को जोड़ के उसका बारे में एक एनालिसिस निकालना. To deduce from given facts. To look down one's nose.
Insult in presence of others.
Not with contempt, घृणा की दृष्टि से देखना. To shed crocodile tears.
To walk something.
We
हरियाली आंसू. To pretend green. To call it a day.
conclude proceeding.
To conclude proceedings. To put up with.
To adjust.
Understood.
To tolerate.
To tolerate to
Wonderful.
To adjust.
To accommodate.
accommodate के साथ. To take to heart.
Grieve over.
Grieve over.
To grieve over. दिन पर दिन. Human service.
Social work.
नहीं, human
Excellent.
service आपका excellent work होता है. To go scot free. क्या?
To escape without
To escape without permission.
Escape without punishment. To see red,
get angry
that angry. In the nick of time.
precisely in the right time.
Precisely.
Precisely the right time. The stage has been set.
The situation is conductive,
Platform for
It's conducive, है ना?
conducive
बात सही है. On this side of the grave,
in this world.
in this world. A man who, while pretending to be your friend, sets the spy to watch your activities, is indeed a snake in the grass.
Cunning fellow.
secret enemy.
Secret enemy, भाई आज नहीं का समझ में इसको. The audience was greatly impressed, though I spoke of the cuff.
With
Without purpose object.
the subject.
Of the jet.
After listening to the student's statements, the teacher had to eat her words.
Withdraw her words.
Withdraw our words.
Her words. To lose ground,
To become
become less powerful.
to become less powerful. To make both ends meet,
to live within one's income.
Oh, yes, sir.
हाँ, to live with income. भाई level luxurious life कैसे आ जाएगा? To make both ends meet, यानी कि आपको सुबह से लेकर शाम तक मेहनत करनी ही पड़ रही है. To fall back on,
To seek support out of necessity.
to seek support out of necessity, to make one's blood boil,
Make somebody furious.
to make somebody furious. She decided that she had this. हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो.
ये मतलब ब्लड बॉयल का मतलब ये है ना, खून गर्म होना, गुस्सा आना, ये भी तो हो सकता है.
तो वही तो है ना.
मेक सम अच्छा. ओके.
She decided that she would get this job by hook or by crook.
By any means, right or wrong.
Right?
By any means.
In a debate, no one is allowed to sit on the fence. यानी कि
To agree with anyone. Everyone.
to avoid taking sides. ठीक है?
To relax by others.
ठीक होता है कि आप न्यूट्रल रह रहे हैं, वो अलाउड नहीं है ना? टू अवॉइड टेकिंग साइड्स अलाउड नहीं है. आप अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते, आपको लेना पड़ेगा एक साइड. द मैटर हैज बीन सॉर्टेड आउट.
Resolved.
The soldiers carried out the orders of the general very effectively.
Executed.
Executed. They set off by car for Mumbai late in the evening.
Started.
Once his crime was discovered, he had no option but to come clean.
To confess the crime. To the crime.
Confess.
To confess to the crime. The employees were kept in the dark about the latest developments.
Were not informed.
Were not
Were not informed at all.
Were not informed at all. When things go wrong, everyone starts passing the buck.
blames everyone else.
Name someone else.
Someone else. To keep the wolf away from the door.
Bad person. What a person.
To avoid extreme poverty. To break the ice. Ice
To commence
Commensurate interaction. Commensurate interaction.
commence an interaction. Spick and span.
neat and clean.
Neat and clean. The pros and cons.
Good and bad, sir. Where
Good and evil.
good and bad.
For and against.
For and against.
सर प्रोज और कॉन्स तो वो होता है ना कि किसी चीज की अच्छाइयाँ और बुराइयाँ.
हाँ अच्छा ही बुरा. Good and heavily add.
हाँ वही तो कह रहा हूँ. हाँ.
Build castles in the air.
Date dream.
सपने रख. Sought after.
Pursued by.
Pursued by.
In great demand. All at sea.
Puzzled. Overjoyed.
Overjoyed.
To hit below the belt.
To attack unfairly.
Potluck dinner.
A dinner where everybody brings something to it.
His friends beat the boy to pay off old scores.
To take revenge.
To take revenge. Chintan is so innocent that he wears his heart on his sleeve.
Expresses his feelings openly.
Tagore was a man of letters.
मैन ऑफ लेटर यानी
Proficient in literary art.
Proficient in literary art. The poor subordinates are made scapegoats by their superiors.
Punished for others' good deeds.
पनिश फॉर अदर मिसलीड्स.
punished in others' misdeeds. She was on the horns of dilemma as she had either to leave her job or divorce her husband.
In a nervous
Difficult
Difficult situation.
difficult.
Brown study.
study uselessly.
Brown study.
Fit to study uselessly.
So, मुझे देखना I'm very confused. Brown study is
Then deep in thought, sir. Deep in.
Deep in thought.
the young boy was kicking his heels in spite of his mother's stern warning.
Passing a gesture of disrespect.
So the gesture of disrespect, she denied point blank her involvement in the
Directly.
It is hard to strike a bargain with a woman.
To negotiate a deal.
Negotiator. They have to finalize a deal.
To finalize a deal, a negotiating act. He took his father's advice to heart.
Seriously.
Seriously.
Yes, please.
Can you give me a hand with this luggage?
Help
Help
me
me with.
Help me with.
Help me with.
Fling away.
to have an affair.
To have an affair नहीं आएगा भाई. Fling आपका ये वाला fling नहीं आएगा.
To throw violently.
To have an
Swing.
affair. Bear up. To throw violently. To swing. इसका शायद नहीं, इसका मुझे आता. Fling अभी तो affair तो नहीं आएगा.
सर फ्लिंग मतलब तो टरकाना होता है ना.
पर तो डंप लिखा है.
ये वाला fling नहीं है पक्का.
To get rid of.
सर फ्लिंग अगर से हटा देना.
टू थ्रो वायलेंटली आएगा आपका. ठीक है.
हाँ,
किसी
मतलब
चीज को हटा देना. स्टिक बाय.
To adhere closely.
टू अडेयर क्लोजली. विंक एट.
Pretend not to see.
टू टेस्ट somebody.
Right? Somebody on.
टू बी ऑन द वेन.
To be diminishing.
टू बी ऑन द वेन. टू बी डिमिनिशिंग. पक्का
Check करते हैं सर.
करो जल्दी. टू गिव अ पर्सन द कोल्ड शोल्डर.
To treat coldly.
ट्रीट कोल्डली है ना. टू बी ऑन द वेन का क्या बताया. अरे देख लो इतनी देर में तो नहीं देख सकते.
सही है सर. Becoming less. हाँ.
Diminishing है sir.
टू गेट वंस बैकअप.
To give support.
टू स्ट्राइक ऑयल.
Have lucky success.
Lucky success.
To have lucky success. To talk shop.
Talks a lot.
Talk a lot.
To use phrases peculiar to one's employment. अपनी ही एम्प्लॉयमेंट से रिलेटेड फ्रेसेस का ज्यादा यूज करना आईटी में बहुत होता है. बहुत बकवास होती है. ठीक है. टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन.
To fix a limit.
To fix element.
आसमान सॉन्ग.
The radius of.
Well, yes.
A direct statement made just before death or retirement. Knit one's brows.
To frown.
To frown. वहीं चढ़ाना. प्योरियां चढ़ाना. To blow the sands.
To busy oneself in an unprofitable proposal.
आप रेत में जुताई कर रहे हैं. To busy oneself in an unprofitable proposition. To rip up old sores.
To reopen a quarrel.
To reopen a quarrel. To rate soundly.
To assure somebody.
शायद यही है. To assure somebody. To be no spring chicken.
To be brave.
To be no longer young. To take to one's back.
To be very attached to one's belongings.
To lie in bed due to illness. To stand on ceremony.
To celebrate.
Insist on excessive formality.
To insist on excessive formality. To be at sixes and sevens.
State of total confusion.
State of total confusion and disorder. To break the ice.
To break the awkward silence.
What silence?
Break the awkward silence. Put was put down.
To demand.
To be firm about something.
Forward something.
है ना. पैर जमा देना. Backstairs influence.
Influence exerted secretly.
Say, long in the tooth,
Rather old.
long in the tooth आपका rather old, हाँ rather old ही होगा. A brazen faced fellow,
Ugly person.
ugly person तो नहीं.
Dark complexion person.
नहीं. इसका शायद cruel person होना चाहिए. Brazen face fellow.
Bold and without shame लिखा है.
Bold and without shame. Uh,
Sir, impudent है.
तो इसका impudent fellow ही होगा. To see pink elephants.
To anticipate luck.
Anticipate luck नहीं होगा भाई. Pink elephant जब आप थाम के धतूरा खा के पड़े होते हैं ना, तब दिखाई देते हैं. To have excessive alcoholic intake, है ना? Elbow room.
Opportunity for freedom of action.
To give enough space to move or work.
Move or work in. Friends leave.
Leave without permission.
Leave without.
permission.
To commit to memory.
To learn by heart.
Done by heart.
To learn by heart. To burn a hole in the pocket.
Money that is spent quickly.
Money that is spent quickly. To bury the hatchet.
To act in a suspicious manner.
Peace. पुरानी बातों में मिट्टी डाल देना. To beg a description.
Accurate description.
Something of least importance.
Something beyond description. Something of least importance. To beat the air. क्या?
Effort that are vain or useless. वही ना भैंस के आगे बीन बजाना, मतलब कि
हवा में efforts that are vain or useless. To provide against a rainy day.
Option B, to provide for a possible future.
B वाली.
Provide for a possible future in time of difficulty or need. To be all eyes.
Watching closely and attentively.
To be all मेरे ख्याल से to be cautious. Swollen headed.
मतलब गुस्से वाला आदमी, स्वाइलेंट हेड, गुस्से वाला मतलब नैरो माइंडेड. हाँ मतलब पागल टाइप का ना, नैरो माइंडेड.
नैरो माइंडेड इसका साले पागल डबल पहले तो अपना माइकल स्पीकर. स्वॉलन हेडेड का मतलब होता है कि किसी इंसान का जो दिमाग होता है वो एकदम फालतू की बातों से भरा रहता है.
सर टू बी डम्ब होगा ना, मोटी बुद्धि.
वैसे तो टू बी कंसाइटेड, टू बी नैरो माइंडेड, टू बी डमी समझ लीजिए बेवकूफ.
मोटी बुद्धि.
का हॉर्नेट्स नेस्ट.
To excite the hostility of people.
Excite the hostility of people. My hands are full.
सर
हाँ
सर सर प्रीवियस वाले में कंसाइट आ रहा है सर. कंसाइटेड. हाँ स्वॉलन का टू बी कंसाइटेड आ रहा है. एरोगेंट है उसका.
हाँ चल हाँ एरोगेंस होना चाहिए. मतलब कि ना मतलब कोई इंसान बस चौड़ में घूम रहा है. That is swollen headed.
यस.
My hands are full.
I am very
busy.
I am very busy. No love lost between them.
To be as friendly as ever.
To be as friendly as ever. Start करते हैं to be hand and glove with someone.
To be intimate.
To be social.
Intimate. Intimate भाई किसी के साथ एकदम घुला मिला होना. To play fast and loose.
To say one thing into another.
Say one thing and do another. To take stock of.
सर्वे.
सप्लाई.
Take stock of का मतलब होगा to imagine.
टेक सप्लाई.
नहीं मेरे ख्याल से to survey होगा. To survey होगा. To take stock of.
हाँ सर.
किसी की जानकारी ले रहा है.
तो स्टॉक ऑफ मतलब इंफॉर्मेशन लेना बेसिकली.
A man of straw.
A man of no substance.
A man of no substance. Full in sheep clothing.
To be hypocrite.
हिपोक्रेट.
To be hypocrite नहीं होगा. To act on the sly.
Act on the sly.
ठीक है. To cut someone short.
To interrupt someone.
To interrupt someone.
सर स्लाइड मतलब
Sly का
ऐसा बात.
होता है कि भाई धोखे से करना.
ओके सर.
To stick to one's colors.
To be straightforward.
To be straightforward.
to stick to one's color, to refuse to eat, give up नहीं करना, है ना? स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड उसका एक पार्ट हो सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है, लेकिन टू स्टिक टू वंस कलर यानी कि बंदा अपने चीज पर अड़ा हुआ है. एन ओल्ड हेड ऑन यंग शोल्डर्स,
To be wise beyond
But to be wise beyond one's age.
टू स्नैप वंस फिंगर्स एट,
to treat with contempt.
टू ट्रीट विद कंटेम्प्ट. आप किसी को चुटकी बजा के बुलाते हो ना, यानी कि आप उसकी इज्जत नहीं कर रहे. फॉलिंग ऑन ऑफ, क्या?
Quarreling.
Quarreling, झगड़ा होना. हार्प ऑन द सेम स्ट्रिंग,
To dwell tediously on same subject.
टू dwell tediously on the same subject, एक ही राग अलापना. कीप अ गुड टेबल,
To be a good host.
to be a good host. Take up the cudgels,
To defend someone.
So to accept a challenge.
to accept a challenge. Splitting hairs,
To dispute over petty
Over petty points.
one को लाल निकालना. To dispute over petty points. A great hand at,
To be an expert.
So to be an expert.
to be an expert. To make a pile,
To make a mess. Make a mess.
a mess. Under someone's wing,
To
Under someone's protection.
to work under someone. To sow one's wild oats,
to engage in youthful acts.
सर take up cutters का आंसर सर to defend someone vigorously.
पक्का?
Yes sir. Accept a challenge to defend someone vigorously.
To sow one's wild oats का है to engage in youthful excesses. जवानी के सिद्धांत करना, ठीक है? An olive branch,
Offer of peace.
an offer of peace, not worth a rap,
Worth nothing.
worth nothing. In merry pills,
Cheerful mood.
Cheerful
in
mood.
cheerful mood. To leave the pale,
To get in debt, spend more than one's sake.
to cut the guardian knot,
To solve a difficult problem.
to solve a difficult problem. To sow the wind and reap the whirlwind.
Suffer for one's foolish thunder.
बिल्कुल ये सेम वही चीज है कि play stupid games and win stupid prizes. To play possum,
To feign ignorance and the sleeping or dead.
हाँ possums क्या करते हैं, वो मरने की एक्टिंग करते हैं. To feign ignorance or pretend, pretend to be sleeping or dead. A grass widow,
A young woman was see.
whose husband is temporarily away from her. Mad as a Mars hare,
Mad as fair in spring.
at mass as a hare in spring. Halcyon days,
Happy and peaceful.
Happy and peaceful day.
happy and peaceful guys. Mother wit,
Common sense.
मदर वेट का कॉमन सेंस ही आएगा. A blind date,
Meeting someone you do not know.
meeting with someone you do not know. Much ado about nothing,
To make a fuss.
Make a fuss.
to make a fuss. Judas kiss,
Hypocritical affection.
Hypocritical affection.
critical affection. इसका जीसस क्राइस्ट वाली कहानी पता ही होगी सबको मेरे ख्याल से. नहीं पढ़ा तो फिर गूगल करना. To have no truck with,
To have not trade with.
to have no dealings with. To clean the organ stables.
To improve working conditions.
Working condition.
Purge या फिर clean the administration of its abuses. A fly in the ointment,
Small annoyance that spoils a pleasant experience.
pleasant experience. Of the deepest dye,
Of the best type.
Of the best type.
the best type आना चाहिए. To throw up the sponge,
To admit defeat.
to admit defeat आएगा. To rule the roost,
To strike with a stick.
Strike with the stick.
on it to rule the roost का मतलब to dominate आएगा.
Dominate.
Bats in the belfry,
Impeding.
Which, excuse me, shop.
घंटे के अंदर जब बैट फंस जाते हैं, कैसे घूमते रहते हैं, वो भी मैट. इसके पास जॉन्डिस आए,
To be prejudiced.
To be prejudiced.
जिसको जॉन्डिस है यानी कि पीलिया है, उसको सब कुछ पीला दिखेगा, तो यानी कि टू बी प्रेजुडाइज्ड। फ्रैंक एंड फाइल,
Army personnel है.
rank and file is common people. So add on
To instigate.
to instigate, किसी को उकसाना, cause to proceed further, to fall over the goals.
So to walk over the fire.
To scold for something done wrong. To draw a bead on,
Take a careful aim at.
to take careful aim at. Fabian policy,
Systematic policy. Demo.
policy of cautious persistence. To play to the gallery.
To try to get the appreciation from
Intelligent.
Sir B वाला.
इसका ए आएगा, सर ए appreciation from the least intelligent people, है ना, उनको वही दिखाना जो कि वो देखना चाहते। फायरिंग विक्ट्री,
Victory at high cost.
पक्का।
Yes, sir.
Go the falling faith,
To mishandle the game. But to do something thoroughly.
he do something thoroughly. To bite one's lips,
To have doubt.
So to repress one's anger or other emotions.
to repress one's anger on other emotions or other emotions. To force someone in leash,
To restrain.
to cool one's heels,
To be kept waiting for some time.
bag of bones,
Extreme weak person. Extremely weak person.
मेरी क्लास में एक लड़का था, मैंने उसका नाम 250 ग्राम रखा था क्योंकि बहुत पतला था। और मूलशाइन,
False. Far from
False.
reality.
Far from real.
far from reality. To shake the dust of one's feet,
To leave a place with the only sentiment.
signs of resentment. Offhand,
Without preparation.
Without preparation.
word of passage,
One who stays for a short time.
count on,
Depend on.
Depend no.
with a string,
Aid with condition. Gift or aid with condition.
gift or aid with condition. To set stores by,
To value high someone. But to value high.
stores by
To order an last one.
last particle of something. To draw a long bow,
To exaggerate.
to exaggerate, बड़ा चढ़ा के बोला, to know the ropes,
To know the procedure of doing a job.
to give the devil his due,
To surrender oneself willingly when one mistake is detected.
सर सेट स्टोर्स बाय का सर यही होगा क्या कहते हैं यही होगा इसका टू वैल्यू हाई जस्ट टू द पर्सन इवन दो ही डज नॉट डिजर्व सच ट्रीट
just to a person even though he does not deserve such treatment. बिल्कुल सही. To give the devil his due. In the film,
एक्सक्यूज मी सर सेट स्टोर्स बाय का ऑप्शन ए होगा सर ऑप्शन सी नहीं है
to value highly.
ऑप्शन ए होगा टू वैल्यू हाई
In the film,
Knowing latest.
सर नोइंग लेटेस्ट करंट थिंग्स
certain things, to knuckle under,
टू सबमिट
To submit.
to submit, दबाव में आ जाना, to have a ticket,
To criticize someone.
प्रिसाइज
criticize someone, in vogue,
इन फैशन
in fashion, 3 hours,
रीडिंग राइटिंग अरिथमेटिक
a wild goose chase,
Foolish and useless enterprise.
and useless enterprise, to rest on one's laurels,
To be proud of one's victory.
to cease to strive for further glory.
फर्दर ग्लोरी
अपने पुराने दिनों को याद करके उनको इनकैश करना, ठीक है।
सर एक बार 267 बना दीजिए 3 hours और रीडिंग राइटिंग
ठीक है।
ओके
फ्रॉड नहीं,
अर्ली स्टेज ऑफ नॉट येट फाइनली डिसाइडेड अनजस्ट ट्रीटमेंट
रॉ डील होता है,
अनजस्ट
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नॉट येट फाइनली डिसाइडेड होना चाहिए, नहीं सॉरी रॉ डील का अनजस्ट ट्रीटमेंट होना चाहिए। अब फॉरलॉर्न होप,
प्लान हैविंग रिमोट
A plan which has removed chances of नहीं a fallen hope ना
Yes, a plan which has
removed chances of success. Printers devil
an inheritance will be
and a
sir blind.
printing office. To call on the carpet.
To summon for a soul.
हाँ to summon for us boldly. To bring the house down.
To appeal greatly. To depend one.
Defame.
Great. To bring the house down होगा to appeal greatly to the audience. To have an edge on.
To be slightly better than.
To be slightly better than. In sackcloth and ashes.
State of
Clean clothes. Dirty.
Bold. Bold.
In sackcloth and ashes ना.
Ashes. हाँ. वो
In a state of great mourning होना चाहिए वैसे तो.
सर यही है.
To put two and two together.
to conclude, keeping in view the merits and demerits.
And demerit. To weather the storm.
To fail. To survive.
To survive a crisis. Love in the throat.
highly emotional state.
A highly emotional state. To fight shy of.
To keep aloof from.
To keep aloof from. To fight shy of.
To be bold होगा.
To be full पक्का.
हाँ सर, to fight shy of मतलब अपने shy पन से fight करना. So to be bold.
नहीं पहले तो इसको कंफर्म करना. To fight shy of. To fight shy of.
Sir, to be unwilling to undertake or become involved with. Aloof.
Observe choice.
The last time.
Not taking the one offered or nothing.
Option of taking the one offered or nothing. To hit it off.
To a very.
To be conjoined.
Agree or be congenial. To whitewash.
To retrieve damaged reputation.
To retrieve damaged reputation within an ace of.
Very close.
Very close.
Very close. To keep an open mind.
To be clear-headed.
To be clear-headed. Open question.
Question without.
A question without any generally agreed answer. On one's matter. Proving अपने substance को prove करना. Was to do one's best. To keep the pot pointing.
To maintain interest.
Maintain interest. Grist to one's made.
Useful for one's purpose.
One's purpose. Kangaroo court.
Unofficial court.
An official court. Wool gathering.
Engage in idle or aimless daydreaming.
बिल्कुल. Between Sela and Sarpedise यानी कि हुआ और हाई वाला आ जाता है.
Between two any
Two danger.
Dangers. Achilles heel.
one's vulnerable or susceptible spot.
One's vulnerable or susceptible spot. Achilles के बारे में पता है ना?
Yes, sir.
ट्राई देखिए किसी का.
The greatest warrior.
ग्रीक मैथोलॉजी. हाँ ग्रीक मैथोलॉजी से रिलेटेड है भाई. बहुत बढ़िया मूवी है. क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
सर वही चक्रव्यूह वाला कंसेप्ट है. Basically.
सब तो नहीं कहेंगे हम उसको. बेसिकली मतलब के
वो इन्फिल्ट्रेट करते हैं.
दुर्योधन वाला कंसेप्ट कह सकते हो कि उसकी एक वीकनेस रह गई.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
उसका एक वीक पॉइंट था. ट्राई देखना भाई. बहुत बढ़िया मूवी है. To know which side the bread is buttered on.
To know where's one interest lies.
Lie. To egg out.
To subtract.
To subtract.
To subtract. पक्का.
Yes, sir. To subtract.
To be in the doldrums.
To be in a crisis.
Low spirit in low sprite. Low spirits.
कर चुके हो ना. वो spirits calm. Wild cat strike. Strike
Furious attack.
by the trade union. Blind alley.
To continue to make efforts in spite of confusion.
Blindness due to old age, a dark room, unprofitable. That profitable action idea. A tied to the apron strings of.
To live together.
To live together.
इसका हिंदी में बोला जाए तो हिंदी में आता जोरू का गुलाम. To be dominated by.
Dominated by.
Apparel strings क्या समझ रहे हो?
जो खाना बनाते हुए पहनते
कुकिंग करते टाइम हम पहनते हैं ना, तो उससे बंधा हुआ. Our school is within a stone's throw from the railway station.
हैं.
At a short distance.